Hello my guys, welcome to another episode. This is gonna be a new series that I'm doing between me and my brother. He's helping me with the website. So we came out with an idea on developing a new series of episodes that is gonna be for beginners. I'm gonna show you in this episode, this is gonna be the episode number 1 based on what you have to do if you wanna start detailing your car. But remember, this is just something that I wanted to share for those that don't know anything about detailing, that they want to learn, they want to protect their cars, and this is just like a guide. Take it for what it is. I'm going to show you on the first episode what you need to get to start doing this. Because if you're already thinking about protecting your paint, your car, your interior, if you want to start doing this as a hobby and you don't know where to start, this is going to be a really good episode that is going to show you where to start, what to do, what tools do you need to get. So episode number 1, I'm going to show you what to do first on how to start detailing your vehicle. So let's get to it. Okay guys, let's begin with this. Just to show you on how to start detailing your vehicle, you need to get some tools, you need to get some buckets, you need to get some stuff. I'm going to show you what I use. Doesn't mean that you have to use all this. It just means that this is what it works for me. You can get your stuff with any other brand, but I'm going to show you exactly how to start. To begin with this, you're going to need to get some buckets. If you want to start doing this method, I like to use the 2-bucket method, and actually it's going to be 3. You have to designate your buckets for the use on cleaning your vehicle, tires, interior, everything on your vehicle. In this case, this is the one that I use all the time for tires, for wheel wells, and undercarriage, engines as well. So this is the dirtiest of them all. This brush, I use it to clean the wheels, valve stamps, and lug nuts with these two. This is a really soft brush. I use it for the wheels so I don't scratch my wheels. And this is a really hard brush. I use it to clean my tires. I always have this bucket for that. On the bottom of this bucket, I have a dirt trap. It keeps all the dirt underneath so it doesn't bring it back and keeps the water kinda clean. But I know this is the dirtiest bucket of them all because I clean tires and wheels. This is the shampoos that I like to use. The one that I use the most is this one. Chemical Guys Citrus Wash and Gloss. I'm not getting paid by any of these companies. I like to use this one because this one foam up a lot with my pressure washer, but you can use this one with the 2-bucket method. And because this one, it has citrus in it, it's gonna cut grime and grease, dirt. It's gonna cut everything really well. I like this one a lot. In future episodes, I'm gonna show you how it works. This one makes a lot of foam with my pressure washer, but you can use it with the 2-bucket method too. This is the Honeydew Snow Foam Auto Wash. I use this one in a maintenance wash because this is pH balance. It's really gentle with your paint, but it gives your car a super gloss shine. I like to use lids because sometimes I store my towels inside so I don't get any dirt getting into the towels that will scratch your paint. This is some cheap towels. I don't use them on the paint. Sometimes I use them to clean the engines, and I use it to clean the dirtiest stuff because these are cheap, and I just throw them away when I finish. You can get these at Walmart, and they're really cheap. So I don't use this on the paint. I use it for something that it has grease or something that is really dirty. I got this. This is something that I get new. This is from Chemical Guys too. I never use this. I'm gonna use it on future episodes to wash your car. This is gonna cover a lot more. This is the one that I use all the time to wash the car. Never used this before. I'm gonna use it now because this is gonna cover more area. and probably wanna finish the job faster. You can use something like this to do the two bucket method, but I'm gonna show you why I don't use this often. But if you see, it's not snug on the edges, it just flows around. It's gonna help you, but if you wanna get something better, let me show you what I use all the time. I use this bucket on the two bucket method with a dart trap. Once you got the bucket filled up with water, you put it sideways to take all the bubbles out, put it all the way to the bottom, and this is gonna trap dirt underneath. So when you have your wash mitt or your towels, put them inside and remove them, all the dirt is gonna go to the bottom of the dirt trap. This is one of the two for the two bucket method. Same thing with this one. This one I have my towels stored right now. I just wash all my towels and I have them in here. I put the lid so I don't have any dirt in it. This one has the black dirt trap, so this is for the two bucket method. The blue one, I always put shampoo in it, and on the one with the black one, I always have clean water only. I'm gonna show you that part in a future episode when I had to do the two bucket method and I'm gonna start washing the vehicle, but overall, this is what I use to start washing the car. This is the stuff that I use to start washing the car. I'm gonna bring some stuff right now to show you what else you can add to your collection. You don't have to go crazy and buy pressure washer and expensive foam cannons. You can start by just using the two bucket method, and you can start by that. You don't have to go crazy and spend a lot of money into this. But if you're really serious about taking care of your paint on your vehicle, this is the stuff that you can start with. That's my Duromax pressure washer. That's a 5 horsepower pressure washer, 2700 psi and 2.3 gallons per minute on water. This is my favorite foam cannon so far, and this is the gun that I use. This is the Snobby by Chemical Guys. This is my setup so far. It's been working really good for me, but like I said, you don't have to go this crazy at the beginning. So if you're watching on the website this first episode, congratulations, because this is gonna be the beginning on this series. And if you're serious about detailing your vehicle, this is where to start. Okay guys, I leave you with that for this episode. This is part number 1. Also, I'm gonna put the link in the description where you can go get my shirts. I have black and white for now, and check it out if you wanna help and support the channel. The links are gonna be down there. Also, I'm gonna put the links for all the stuff that you see here. Some stuff you're not gonna see it because some of this stuff I get it through AutoZone or some cheap stores. Some of these brushes you can find these probably at the store. This is really soft. I use it and I designate it for wheels. Probably some links you're not gonna find them in the description, but most of this stuff you will find it in there. I hope you like this little introduction for this new series. If you have any questions, guys, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.